Hi, this is the third and final video for the Christmas Mandala Ornament pattern by Doily Designs. And this is for the quick and easy holly berries. So you're going to use your F hook and green yarn and chain 9. And you're going to slip stitch in the second chain. And then single crochet in your next chain. Chain 2, slip stitch in the second chain, single crochet in the same space, single crochet in next space. Now half double crochet in the next chain, chain 2, slip stitch, and half double crochet. Half double crochet in next space, single crochet in the next chain, chain 2, slip stitch, single crochet in the same, single crochet in the next. Now half double crochet, slip stitch, sorry. You're going to slip stitch in that last chain and then chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch in the same space. Now single crochet in the next space, chain 2, slip stitch in the second chain, single crochet in that same space. Now single crochet in the next space. Half double crochet in the next chain, chain 2, slip stitch in your second chain, and half double crochet in that same space. Single crochet in the next space, single crochet in the next space, chain 2, slip stitch in the second chain, single crochet in the same space, single crochet in the next space, slip stitch in the next space or the first chain, now we're going to slip stitch down the center vein of that leaf. I don't think I went in the actual stitch. Let's try going in the holes. You can clearly see the holes and you just go in there. It should be fairly easy to go in. And then you can either fasten off or you can do another leaf. We're going to do a chain 9, slip stitch in the second chain. I'm really lazy. I don't like weaving ends, so I'm just going to keep going because I want 2 leaves anyway. So single crochet in the third chain, chain 2, slip stitch in that second chain, and then single crochet in that same space. Now single crochet in the next chain, half double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet, half double crochet in the next space, single crochet in the next space, chain 2, slip stitch, single crochet, single crochet in the next space, slip stitch. Now because we already have our chain 5 and our hanging loop, we're going to just carry on and chain 1, slip stitch in that same space, single crochet in the next space, chain 2, slip stitch in the second chain, single crochet in the same space at the bottom there, single crochet in the next space, half double crochet in the next space, chain 2, slip stitch in the second chain, half double crochet in the same space, okay, pulling too hard, single crochet in the next space, single crochet in the next space, chain 2, slip stitch in the second chain, single crochet in the same space, slip stitch in that first chain. Now back up the vein again, slip stitch, top slip stitch, oops, I went crooked, okay, back on track, right up the center, and there's big holes, last one, and then fasten it off. Now we just need our little holly berries, which we're going to attach to this, and we have a little hanger. So you need red, and these are so simple. You just, I don't like I said, I'm a lazy crocheter, so these are just for that little extra color and to give the idea of holly berries. They're not actually little round berries. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the third chain. Now slip stitch in that same space. You can kind of shape these more to make them look more like berries if you want. 1, 2, 3. When you weave your ends. So you're just going to chain 3 again and then single crochet in that third chain and then slip stitch in the same space. Now chain 3 again, single crochet in that third chain, slip stitch in the same space. Now I'm just going to slip stitch in the middle, kind of pull them all together and fasten it off. And I'll use those tails to attach that. And if I want to pull those in, I'll just grab those ends and sculpt them when I add them to the leaves. And there you have your holly berries. Hope you enjoyed the Christmas Mandala Ornaments by Doily Designs. Thank you.